Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. I received a question. Someone asked, how do you download Temu app? Temu is online marketplace, online store that sell a lot of stuff. So basically, to download Temu app from your phone, what you need to do is you need to go to your Play Store, select Play Store. Then the next thing to do is you need to type Temu, T-E-M-U, Temu app for free. Select on it, then can see 50 million plus download. Install it on your phone. You need 23.52 MB space, and this is very quick. So it's installing. With this app, you're able to shop, select the product, see the price, and you can see it's downloaded. Click it, open. Here we go, Temu. Then this is the app here, and the way this app work, you need to sign in or create account and select product you want to purchase. So Temu have various categories. So they have women's, men, kids, jewelries, bags, home, garden, pets, beauty, health, household, toy, baby, crafts, sports, electronics, automotive, industrial, musical, and office categories. So depending on particular one you want, okay, anything you are looking for, you just need to type the category and search for it. You can also search for it on top, okay, search the stuff you want to buy from the top, okay. Let's say if you want to buy watch, so you type watch, W-A-T-H, okay. Watches for men, select watches for men. It will show you all the watches available, okay. And you can also, when you select you will see the the price. Usually the price, sometimes it will be in black color or orange color, okay. So we'll select this one, for instance. When you select on it, it will open up. Then you're able to add it to the cart, and you can also select how many quantity. This is free shipping on all order, okay, free shipping. So if you want to purchase this watch, what you need to do is you need to add to catalog, add to cart. Now it's added, but also another thing is to do is you need to select the color. So you select the specific color you want. Once this is black, blue, needle black mesh belt, or you select black needle black mesh belt. So you select a silver one, okay. Let's say if you want to select silver, then the next thing is you need to select the quantity, okay. So you select the quantity. The item has maximum, okay, so this item has maximum purchase of 1, so you add to catalog, and now it's added to catalog, okay. Then you go back. So if you want to see the catalog, then you see the catalog here. It will show you all the stuff. You can pay through check. In terms of when you select checkout, then you put your card detail. You can also pay using Visa, okay, Google Pay, PayPal, okay. Now you can also go back again and select another product you want to purchase. So if you have not finished, then you can go back to the catalog and start looking for something else you want to buy, okay. So you can see they have so many things. This is replica Rolex watch. If you go back and select, if you go to women, then you select all the women stuff. You can see they have bags here. So they have several things, so many things, depending on what you're looking for. Let's say if you want to look for this clothes, you select on it. Then, and the price is, this one is £12.99. So they have medium, extra large, medium, large, and extra large, then you can add it to the catalog. So this is how to download the app. You can select any particular thing. If you are looking for kids stuff, then you select kids. It will take you to kids section or kids categories, okay, so that you can select particular stuff you want and add it to the catalog. This is shoe. This is quite nice, trainers, and you just need to check the size and add, okay, so you can add as many. And once you've done that, then you select add to catalog. If you select the quantity you want or size, then you add to catalog, then select the size, add it, okay, then you go back to the catalog and check. How to download Temu app. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.